Hey there! If your weekday morning feels more like a groggy crawl to the coffee pot than a vibrant start, then this explainer is definitely for you. We're about to mix up a seriously powerful honey citrus wellness elixir. It's designed to give you that clean energy boost you've been searching for, without the nasty crash later.
Does this sound familiar? The alarm goes off, you hit snooze, maybe a few times, and then you're just dragging yourself to the kitchen for that cup of coffee or a sugary drink just to feel, well, human. It's a total cycle, right? You get that temporary high, but then you're hit with that inevitable afternoon slump. So what if there was a better way, a more natural way to actually kickstart your day?
Okay, let's get into it. I want you to meet your new best friend, the Honey Citrus Wellness Elixir. Now, this is not just another morning drink. It's a really powerful and completely natural alternative that's built to hydrate you, support your immune system, and, most importantly, give you a genuine energy boost that lasts.
And you know what the best part is? The ingredients are so simple, you've probably got most of them in your kitchen right now. We're talking cold water, some raw honey, and here's the key: fresh lemon juice, fresh orange juice, and some fresh ginger and mint. Trust me, that freshness, it makes all the difference in the world.
Now, I know what you're thinking. I do not have time to be a mixologist on a busy weekday morning. But that is the absolute beauty of this recipe. It is designed to be super fast and super simple. Let's just break down the 5 steps. It literally takes a couple of minutes.
Seriously, this comes together in seconds. First, you're going to stir the raw honey and lemon juice together until that honey totally dissolves. That's the trick for a nice, even mix. Next, pour in your orange juice and drop in those ginger slices. Fill the glass up with ice, top it off with cold water, or hey, sparkling water if you're feeling a little fancy, and finish it with some fresh mint. Give it a gentle stir and you are good to go.
And here it is. This is the absolute game changer for your schedule: batch prepping. Spend maybe 5 minutes on a Sunday night juicing your lemons and oranges for the whole week. Just store it in a sealed jar in the fridge. You can even pre-slice your ginger. That way your morning assembly takes, less than 60 seconds? You just pour, stir, and head out the door. It's that easy.
So, we've totally covered the how to make it, but now let's get into the why it works. What exactly makes this drink so effective? We're going to take a look at the incredible power that's packed into each and every one of these natural ingredients.
All right, the real secret to the energy in this elixir comes down to our choice of sweetener. We are using raw honey, not refined sugar. As you can see, honey gives you this quick, clean boost that's fueled by its natural properties and antioxidants. It gives you a much more stable and sustained energy release, which helps you completely avoid that chaotic spike and that awful crash you get from refined sugars.
Next up, let's talk vitamin C. This stuff is an essential nutrient, and in this elixir, you're getting a fantastic dose from both the fresh lemon and the fresh orange juice. Think of it like your own personal daily shield, giving your immune system some powerful natural support. It's exactly what you need to take on the day.
And we can't forget about ginger. This root is a true powerhouse. Those little thin slices do way more than just add a bit of spice. They actively help your digestion and can even reduce inflammation. It's just a super simple way to give your gut a really soothing, supportive start to the day.
And here's a fantastic tip that adds a whole other layer of goodness to this. If you can, try to find some local raw honey. It's such a small choice, but it has a really big impact. Not only are you getting a higher quality product, but you're also supporting your local beekeepers and all the important pollinators in our ecosystem. It's a win-win. So you see, this is so much more than just a recipe. It's about actually reclaiming your morning. It's about starting your day with intention, fueling your body with something that hydrates, energizes, and supports you. This can be your new daily wellness ritual.
So let's do a super quick recap of the key takeaways here. With this elixir, you're getting a natural energy boost, some powerful immune support, and a soothing digestive aid. Plus, it's incredibly hydrating, it's refreshing, and, maybe most important for our busy lives, it's so quick and easy to make.
So I'll just leave you with this one question. What could a better morning, a more energized, more focused, and healthier morning, really do for the rest of your day? Give this elixir a try this week and find out for yourself.